everybody, today we have beautiful Dell Precision 5480. It's an Intel Core i7 13th gen laptop with great graphics, RTX A1000 and full HD screen. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. Start with bottom cover. Use T5 Torx screwdriver. So now we have to separate the bottom case from the palmrest. So find a gap where you can put your tool. And start separating all the clips on all edges. Alright, and the bottom is off. Here we have the part number. And now start with disconnecting the battery. Now we can take it out. So if the battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. Take out the screws. And now there is Wi-Fi antenna routed through the battery. So be careful with this. Okay, and now we can take out the battery. Here we have the part number and the battery type number. Okay, now let's check under this cover. There should be our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you there is no boot device, or you would like to upgrade storage to the bigger one, this is how you can do it. So take out this cover. That's the actual drive. The drive is short, so that metal part, that's the extension bracket, so you can use a longer drive. Alright, now let's check our Wi-Fi. So that's the Wi-Fi card. Unfortunately, it's soldered on the motherboard, so you cannot replace it. If it doesn't work, you have to buy the motherboard. Okay, now that's our cooling heatsink for the processor and the graphics. So if your laptop overheats and you would like to add the cooling paste between the processor and the heatsink, this is how you can do it. So unscrew all the screws. And now gently lift the heatsink. It may be stuck to the motherboard, so be careful with this. Alright, so that's our heatsink. That's the part number. And be careful, don't bend it. If you bend the heatsink, it won't work anymore. Here, that's our processor and the graphics. They both soldered on the motherboard, so if these don't work, you have to replace the motherboard. Here, that's our cooling fan. So if the fan doesn't spin and makes grinding noise, you would like to replace it, this is how you can do it. So unscrew these two screws and disconnect from the motherboard. Here we have the part number. So that's our second fan, and the part number is here. Okay, now let's take out our speakers. So if the sound is bad, you would like to replace your speakers. So that's how you can do it. Unscrew these two screws. And disconnect from the motherboard. So that's our part number. That's the second speaker, and that's the part number here. Okay, now let's pull out the motherboard. So unscrew all the remaining screws. And here for the video cable, we need another screwdriver. So for the video cable, you need a T5 Torx screwdriver. Now disconnect all the remaining connectors. I usually close those clips, otherwise you can break them if you leave them open. Okay, now we should be able to take it out. Now on the opposite side we have another connector. Alright, now the motherboard is free. Here we have the part number. And one here. So now let's disconnect the hinges. Oh, we can take out also this port. That's the audio port. So if that port is bad, you can replace it. Now let's disconnect our hinges. Now gently unfold the hinges, and now we can disconnect the Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly. Let's see if we can replace just the touchpad. So take out all these screws. disconnect the keyboard. Alright, and that's our touchpad. Here we have the part number. The keyboard is riveted to the Palmrest, so you cannot replace it. You have to buy the whole Palmrest keyboard assembly. Here we have the part number. If you need parts, check gatlaptopparts.com. And now that's our screen. Very often sold in one piece. It's very fragile, so if you try to take out the LCD, you're risking breaking it. So if you can, just purchase the whole screen assembly. Check on eBay and gatlaptopparts.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.